Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing brand new product by Crafters Companion. As you can see, this one is called Timeless Butterflies. There are topper sheets and dies. It includes 31 metal dies, 24 printed papers and one carrier sheet. So total of 56 pieces. It comes in this beautiful wallet. You can see that there are lots of beautiful butterflies in a vintage kind of looking theme. So you get 31 cutting dies and they are all butterflies. And as you can see, every single one of them has this little bit sticking out. And when you turn it around, you can see that every single die will have a number. So you have to find that number on the sheet. All the sheets are the same. There are 24 of them, and I think there is some information. These designs are available to download on the website. And what you do, you pick one cutting die and you find a number on a die which says 15, and you need to find that butterfly and put it over it and die cut it. You can place a few of those butterflies on the sheet and die cut it together. I've done, as you can see, a lot of them. I cut only 3 sheets and there are lots of butterflies, and there is this sheet like a acetate which should help you to find them on this sheet. I haven't used this one, so I'm not sure if it's needed. To me, I didn't use it at all, so I just found a cutting die, put it on top of that one, and that little dot, that little bit of sticking out, you need to line it with the number. So this is a very helpful little bit, which when you line it up, once you put it through your die cutting machine, it will come out like this. Oh, I've got actually the same one here. So every single die, every single butterfly is on that sheet. So we've got 31 metal dies and 24 printable papers. All of them are the same. As you can see, they're all of them the same, and you can download extra sheets if you need it. So let me put it aside, and I'm going to show you my first project with this set. So first of all, I'm using let me show you which exactly paper pad I'm using. So I'm using this Knitweed collection, Homebody collection by Crafters Companion. I hope you can see everything properly because it's getting darker quicker, so I'm recording during the night now. So as you can see, I use the papers. I've got a craft card, and I made the base from a craft card. This one measures 6 by 6 inches, I think. And what another tip is that if you want to save some paper, you just use you die cut those pieces from your mats and layers, because no one is going to see it. So as you can see, once you put it together, you will not be able to see, and no one will be able to tell that a bit from the center is missing. So let me put my card together. So I hope you like this new collection, new product from Crafters Companion, because I know a lot of people likes butterflies, and I'm one of them. They are very useful in our projects, and they always give that extra something. So I'm putting all my mats and layers, and now I need to put that pink one. Yeah, all good. And I will embellish my card with lots of beautiful butterflies. Very simple and very quick card to make. So if you want to make something similar, you are welcome to do so. Do you like butterflies or you prefer dragonflies? I like both of them. So let me, I think I will raise it a little bit on few foam pads. So I'm just wondering how this video will look like, especially because the light is slightly different. I hope you're going to let me know what do you think about this video. Is it too dark or is it I'm just trying to see if there's some shadows showing or not, because I personally prefer to record during the day, but it's not always possible. Or maybe I should have prepared that daily. So I'm using craft card from Crafter's Companion as well. And also I've got this, I am using scalloped cutting die from my stash, and the circle die is from Year of Craft collection. And I'm using also this cutting die. This one is like a little banner, and from Year of Craft I'm using, where is it, thank you, sentiment. So I'm using those two, and I was thinking to put to pick those pink butterflies and put them in something like that, and few of those green and yellow butterflies. I was thinking about this sort of composition. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place that banner first, so I can see exactly where it should go. So tell me, how do you prefer to craft? Do you prepare everything or you just go with the flow? Okay, because sometimes I just work without any preparation. I just grab things and I just go with the flow. But today I decided actually that it would be better for me, because I really wanted to record this video to actually prepare more things, because I wanted to show you that butterfly collection. So it was better if I actually prepared a few bits and pieces to speed up the process. So as you can see, I'm shaping a little bit of those butterflies, and of course I'm going to add some sparkle in the center of each butterfly. I was actually thinking to what you could do, you could double layered those butterflies, but I didn't have enough of that cut out, so I decided to use only single layer. But I think in my next project I will just show you another technique what you can do with those butterflies. I think it would be nice to layer them up and give them a bit more volume. But I think because of the shaping, it still shows how those butterflies looks on the project, that they are kind of flying. And once the glue will dry completely, you can lift those wings a little bit more, and then it will look even better. So last butterfly, and then I will see what kind of gems I'm going to add. So that's another butterfly here. So I think that should be enough. in my probably next project I will show you that you can use more butterflies in your, so I hope you can see that it looks really pretty now. I could add more butterflies. Let's see, maybe I will actually. What do you think? If you could answer me right now, that would be really nice, but I don't, of course it's impossible. So I'm thinking, should I add more or not? Because I do have plenty. Let me see, because I didn't want to add that many in my first project, but I'm just looking for the camera. Maybe I will actually add more, but let's see. There's so many different butterflies that it's really hard to choose which ones to use, and that's always my problem. Yes, I'm going to add a few more. See, my plan is evolving a little bit, but I love butterflies and it's really hard to resist. I'm just wondering, what do you think about this? Would you add more butterflies or less? Would you add those two extra or not? And now I think I'm going to add a little bit of glitter glue in the center of each to give a little bit of that sparkle, to make them pop a little bit more. And once everything dry, I will lift the wings, as I said before. I will lift those wings a little bit more. Yes, and that will look really pretty. Yeah, I like this one. And let me lift it up a little bit so you can see. Can you see the wings? And what I'm going to do, I think I really want to add more gems. So let me, because I usually add a little bit of glue. Maybe too much, but okay. What I'm going to use, I use this one too. Okay, and that's fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the bigger gems here. Do you add a little bit of glue under your gems, or you just rely on that glue which is underneath those gems? Because I prefer to add a little bit of extra adhesive just in case, because once you post something, you know, it actually can fall out or slide off. Yeah, I think that's fine. Let me see if I like it or not. Yeah, I think that should be enough. And as I said, once the glue and the glitter glue in the center will dry, I will lift those wings a little bit more so they will stand out. So let me know, what do you think about this project? Let me know about if you like butterflies, what do you think about it? And what do you think about my late night recordings with my light like this? So thank you so much for watching. Let me know, what do you think about this project, about this product as well, and give me thumbs ups, write me some comments, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do consider subscribing so you're not going to miss other videos I might do in the future. Thank you so much. Bye bye.